A very good morning to everyone present here. Today, I, Kinjel from class 11 Science, am honored to speak about Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, one of India's most inspiring environmentalists, educator and engineer. Born in Ladakh in 1966, Mr. Sonam Wangchuk is an active educational reformist and a person who is bringing sustainable development in the Trans-Himalayan region. Throughout his childhood, he faced difficulties because the educational system did not support his native language. So, instead of accepting his challenge, Mr. Sonam Wangchuk grew up determined to change the educational system. He is the co-founder of the Students' Educational and Cultural Movement of Ladakh, an organization that helps students learn through practical learning, creativity, and problem solving rather than rote memorization. And his activity has inspired a lot of educators throughout the country. Mr. Sonam Wangchuk is an active environmentalist. His most renowned invention till now is the ice stupa, or the artificial glacier, which stores water during winter and uses it for farming during dry seasons. This simple yet brilliant idea has helped a lot of communities to cope with the complexity of the scarcity of water. He has received a lot of prestigious awards throughout his life. One of the most renowned awards that he has received till now is the Raymond Magsaysay Award in 2018, which is also known as Asia's Nobel Prize, for his contributions to education and society. And the greatest learning that we can learn from him is that education should not only help us to score good marks, but also help us to become creative and responsible human beings. And right now, he is again in the National Insights. He has joined the ongoing protest in the Jantar Mantar for the students who have lost their life during this ALEC examination and paper leaks. And we, the entire Xaverian community, would like to pay tribute to those students who have lost their lives due to these paper leaks. Thank you.